The Generac Guardian 26 kilowatt generator delivers enough steady whole home power to keep major appliances, heating and cooling, and electronics running smoothly during extended outages. Its automatic transfer system senses utility loss within seconds and starts the unit on natural gas or liquid propane without any manual intervention, which is especially reassuring during nighttime storms or when you are away. Wireless connectivity lets you check status, receive maintenance alerts, and monitor performance from a phone, tablet, or computer, so you are rarely surprised by a low battery or missed service. The purpose-built G-Force engine is designed specifically for generator duty, providing cleaner power, lower maintenance needs, and better long-term durability than many repurposed small engines. For a standby unit of this output, it runs relatively quietly, uses space efficiently, and includes a self-test mode that operates at reduced speed to cut both fuel use and noise during routine checks. Installation-friendly touches like removable panels, an integrated base, and straightforward wiring, combined with strong nationwide support, make this a practical and confidence-inspiring choice for whole house backup.